Hello everyone, in this video I will be unboxing and reviewing this Philips hair clipper HC7650 over 14. In this video I will be cutting my hair so that you'll see how this hair clipper operates and how efficient it is. I'll also be showing you how to charge it, like how much time it takes to charge and the autonomy of the battery, and I'm gonna also show you how to clean it. So let's start first by unboxing it. So there's a tape here on the box that you need to cut before unboxing it. So if you register your product, you'll get a year extension warranty. This is the user manual. This is the machine itself. It feels really good. This here is a carrying pouch. So this here is everything you get with this hair clipper. So let me show you a little bit how to change the combs here. So first of all, let's remove this here. So you need to remove the comb first. And then to remove this, you need to push this, it will open like this, and just remove it. Basically, this label here will tell you that you can rinse the machine. I'm gonna show you at the end how to do this. So this here is a blade. To put it back, put it like that, and then push it in. And you have 3 combs, as you notice. So first of all, the blade, if you cut with it without any comb, it will give you 0.5 millimeters length. And this is a 2 millimeters length if you want it. And this here goes from 3 to 15 millimeters. And this one here goes from 16 to 28 millimeters. And this wheel here is to set the length of the comb. So let me put this comb. So this is the 3 to 15. Put it all the way in. And if you want to set it here, it goes from 3, it is in black, to 15. And when you turn the wheel, it will set as you see. And the same goes also for this comb here, that is from 16 to 28 millimeters. For the charging of this machine, you need to fully charge it before first use to lengthen the life of the battery. And it is noted in the user manual that it needs 8 hours of charging time from empty to full charge, and you can operate it up to 90 minutes. You notice here also that you have the power on button and you have the turbo button. So the turbo button here is if you have like thick hair, the blades will run much faster and it is better, but of course it will also consume battery more than the normal operation mode. So I'm gonna charge it now and then I'm gonna cut my hair and show you how it works. To cut my hair, I'll be using 2 combs. The comb that is 3 to 15 millimeters and the comb that is 2 millimeters. So I'm gonna start with the 3 to 15 millimeters. I'm gonna put here like 7 millimeters. So let me put it. So I put it at 7 millimeters. By the way, why I like Philips clippers is that they don't need oil to function. So you don't need to oil the blades, and this is a very big plus for me because oil is messy, and they have self-sharpening blades also. So this is what they claim. So it really cuts hair without any effort. So it's really very good. So now I'm gonna put the 2 millimeters comb. And the 2 millimeters comb is for this area here. So what I'm gonna do now is that I'm gonna trim my beard with the 2 millimeters also comb. And now this part of the beard, I'm gonna do it with the 3 millimeters comb. And now I'm gonna do the line of my beard with a 0.5 millimeter. So now I finished cutting my hair. I'm gonna rinse the machine. So now I'm gonna wash the machine under the water. So it is fully washable under running water. And I'm gonna remove it here, just push here, remove all the hair inside. And let me rinse the combs also. And make sure that everything is dry before putting it together. So put everything on a towel here. I'm gonna put everything on a towel and wait for it to dry out, and then I'm gonna assemble it. So that was it for the testing of this Philips hair clipper series 7000. If you liked my video, please consider subscribing to my channel. It will help the channel greatly, and this way you'll not miss any future videos I make. I want to thank you all for watching and see you in the next video.